Maldon Salt forms tiny, hollow pyramids that do far more than add basic saltiness. Elite chefs weaponize this specific crystal structure to control the exact millisecond flavor hits your tongue. By the end of this video, you will master the 17 essential salts used in professional kitchens to elevate every dish. There is a common kitchen habit that instantly destroys the expensive structure of gourmet salts. We'll show you how to avoid this waste. And later, we'll see one of the rarest salts on Earth that gets its vibrant blue color from a physical trick of light, not chemical additives. Because Maldon Salt crystals are hollow, they shatter with a light crunch and undergo rapid dissolution, melting into a liquid like cotton candy, vanishing the second it touches your mouth. This fast melt happens because of a high surface area to volume ratio, meaning it has a massive outside surface compared to its total size. It acts exactly like how crushed ice melts in your drink, way faster than a solid ice block. Using this salt as a finisher gives you a sudden, intense burst of flavor right before the crystal disappears. Fleur de Sel is gently skimmed by hand from the salt pans in Gironde. This incredibly delicate harvesting process requires traditional wooden rakes. Top chefs around the world love this salt because its flavor lingers on your food much longer than regular table salt. It yields moist, delicate flakes that resist melting instantly. Because of this slow melt and labor-intensive harvest, it remains one of the most expensive, prized finishing salts in the culinary world. Sel Gris, or grey salt, is scraped directly from the dark clay-bottomed salt pans shimmering under the sun. Scraping the clay floor leaves the salt packed with natural minerals and heavy moisture. Its high moisture content is a massive advantage in a hot kitchen. It means the salt won't melt instantly when it hits hot food. This makes it the perfect crunchy topper for juicy, resting steaks. Himalayan pink salt gets its famous rosy hue from trace amounts of iron oxide, the chemical name for rust, trapped inside its dense, blocky crystals. It forms a cubic halite crystal lattice. This represents the microscopic, cube-like grid structure that makes up rock salt. Knowing this helps you realize you are paying for beautiful visual presentation and trace minerals, not a different kind of saltiness. It looks incredible that the basic flavor profile is almost identical to table salt. Himalayan black salt, also known as kala namak, undergoes an intense chemical transformation. The salt is cooked in a kiln with charcoal and herbs, which triggers a chemical reaction that releases sulfurous compounds. These sulfur-containing chemical mixtures are widely known for their strong, pungent smell. Specifically, the process releases hydrogen sulfide, the exact gas that gives rotten eggs their distinct odor. This is the secret ingredient vegan chefs use to make plant-based dishes taste and smell exactly like real eggs. Hawaiian Alaea salt is mixed directly with volcanic red clay, or Alaea. This clay adds iron oxide, giving the salt a bold red color and a subtle, earthy flavor profile that tames the sharp bite of raw salt. Chefs rely on it to add a dramatic pop of color and an earthy finish to traditional roasted meats. Murray River salt from Prudices produces fragile, peach-colored flakes. This stunning color comes from keratin, the natural orange-red pigment also found in carrots. This pigment is produced by microscopic water plants called saline algae that thrive in super salty environments. These fragile flakes melt almost instantly on the tongue. They are perfect for delicate dishes like raw fish or light salads where a heavy crunch would ruin the texture. Korean bamboo salt, called jukyeom, goes through an extreme roasting process. The salt is packed tightly into bamboo cylinders, sealed with yellow clay, and roasted in a furnace over open flames. It is roasted up to 9 times at extreme temperatures. This brutal firing process infuses the salt with unique minerals from the bamboo and the clay cap. It creates a highly complex, slightly smoky flavor profile that simple drying cannot achieve.
Persian Blue salt is a rare variety harvested from ancient salt lake beds in Iran. It isn't actually blue. Its color is a trick of the eye, caused by optical illusions from variations in its crystalline structure. The neat, repeating geometric arrangement of atoms inside the crystal makes it look blue under certain lights, exactly like how a glass of water looks blue under certain lights, even though the water itself is clear. It is one of the rarest salts on Earth, prized by elite chefs purely for this stunning, light-bending visual effect. Kosher salt is a coarse edible salt that completely lacks iodine additives, consisting of pure sodium chloride. Its wide, flat, jagged grains are designed specifically for drawing moisture out of meats efficiently before cooking. The large surface area grabs onto liquid, making it the absolute best tool in the kitchen for dry brining a steak.
Subscribe, please.
Aguni salt from Aguni is produced by spraying seawater down giant bamboo towers to concentrate it before crystallizing. This lets the wind slowly evaporate the water and concentrate the salt before it is finally dried in a wood-fired pan. This labor-intensive method preserves a massive variety of sea minerals, giving the salt a rich, deeply savory taste that regular boiling destroys.
Coarse rock salt features large cubic crystals that dissolve very slowly. Because the crystals are tight blocks rather than flat flakes, they take much longer to melt in your mouth. This provides a prolonged, uneven release of salinity as you chew. It adds a hard, lasting crunch to a dish rather than a fast melt.
Fine table salt maximizes sodium delivery through tiny, uniform crystals. This rapid sodium delivery is directly linked to high blood pressure, researcher Bridenstine. Tiny salt crystals dissolve in your spit much faster than big ones. This gives your tongue a quicker and much stronger hit of salty flavor, which is why food manufacturers rely on it to blast your taste buds instantly.
Flake salt uses flat, thin crystals to change exactly how your brain perceives saltiness. Food scientists have demonstrated that using smaller or flatter salt crystals can reduce the amount of sodium you eat while keeping your food tasting just as salty. A single microscopic change in a salt crystal's shape can trick your brain into thinking a meal is perfectly seasoned, using half the actual sodium. You can eat healthier and lower your salt intake without sacrificing any of the savory flavor you love.
Black lava salt blends sea salt with activated charcoal. It offers a dramatic visual contrast when plated against bright foods. Beyond the deep black color, the charcoal leaves a clean, slightly smoky finish on the palate.
Celtic Sea Salt is harvested using traditional French methods. It retains its natural light grey colour and a rich, briny moisture profile. The dampness makes it stick easily to foods, and the heavy mineral content brings a taste of the ocean directly to the plate.
Smoked salt is cold smoked over slow wood fires, infusing a deep, aromatic complexity that mimics historical open-pit salt processing. But throwing high-end finishing salts, smoked or otherwise, into soups or boiling pasta water is a total waste. Food science writer Harold McGee notes that expensive finishing salts are wasted when dissolved into liquid dishes like soups or stews. Once salt dissolves during cooking, its crystalline structure is completely lost, rendering the original shape irrelevant to taste. The shape no longer affects the taste at all. It is like melting a Lego castle back into liquid plastic. The shape is gone forever. Save your expensive salts for the very end of cooking to get the texture and flavor pop you actually paid for. And here is the wild part. In the 1870s, a violent conflict known as the El Paso Salt War broke out in El Paso, triggered by a fight over valuable salt resources. If you want to see how these carefully chosen salts react with premium beef, watch our detailed look at the science of dry aging next. Choose your salt crystal wisely, because controlling the crunch and dissolution is how chefs turn basic seasoning into a weapon of pure flavor.
If you liked this, 5 ways salt actually changes the structure of food, that's the next one.